Today I am reviewing the KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact yet incredibly powerful desktop replacement, the KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC is a serious contender that brings near desktop-level performance into a tiny, space-saving form factor. This mini PC is designed for professionals, creators, developers, and anyone who needs strong performance without the bulk of a traditional tower. Let's start with the performance, because this is where the Hyper H2 truly stands out. It is powered by the Intel Core i5-14450HX processor, which is part of Intel's high-performance HX lineup. With 10 cores and 16 threads, and clock speeds reaching up to 4.8 GHz. This is not your typical mini PC processor. HX-class chips are designed for heavy workloads, and that shows here. Whether you're running multiple applications, editing videos, compiling code, or handling large spreadsheets, this system is built to keep up without slowing down. In real-world use, this means you can comfortably run multiple demanding applications at the same time. For example, you could have dozens of Chrome tabs open, a video call running, a document editor, and even background development tools, all without experiencing lag or stutter. It's especially impressive for multitasking, which is one of the key strengths of this system. Moving on to memory and storage, the KAMRUI Hyper H2 comes with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is a huge advantage for productivity and performance. This amount of memory ensures that the system remains smooth even under heavy workloads. It also supports dual-channel memory, which improves data throughput and overall efficiency. On the storage side, it features a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, which provides extremely fast read and write speeds. This translates into near-instant boot times, fast application launches, and quick file transfers. If you need more storage, the system also supports expansion up to 4 TB thanks to its dual M.2 slots, making it highly future-proof and flexible. Thermal performance is another important factor, especially with such a powerful CPU packed into a compact chassis. The Hyper H2 uses an advanced cooling system with dual copper heat pipes, centrifugal fans, and a dual airflow design. This allows it to maintain high performance even under sustained heavy workloads. In fact, it is designed to retain over 95% of its performance during long periods of use, which is impressive for a mini PC. Now let's talk about display capabilities. This mini PC supports triple 4K displays, which is a huge advantage for productivity. You can connect multiple monitors simultaneously, giving you a wide workspace to manage tasks efficiently. Whether you're coding, designing, trading, or multitasking across applications, having multiple screens makes a big difference in workflow efficiency. Connectivity is another strong point. The KAMRUI Hyper H2 comes with a wide range of ports, including USB-C with 10 gigabits per second data transfer, USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, Ethernet, and a headphone jack. This makes it extremely versatile and compatible with a wide range of peripherals. You can connect external storage devices, monitors, keyboards, mice, and more without any limitations. In terms of wireless connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast and stable connections. Wi-Fi 6 offers improved speed, lower latency, and better performance in crowded networks, while Bluetooth 5.2 provides reliable and energy-efficient connections for wireless devices like headphones, speakers, and accessories. Despite its powerful hardware, one of the most impressive aspects of this mini PC is its size. Measuring just a few inches in width and height, it takes up minimal desk space. This makes it ideal for anyone looking to reduce clutter and create a clean, organized workspace. It can even be mounted behind a monitor using VESA mounting, effectively hiding the entire system from view. The design philosophy here is clear: maximize performance while minimizing footprint. This makes it perfect for home offices, business environments, or even as a media center connected to a TV. Another advantage is its reliability and support. KAMRUI provides lifetime technical support along with a 12-month warranty, which adds peace of mind. If you encounter any issues, you have support available to help you resolve them, which is always an important factor when investing in technology. In everyday use, the KAMRUI Hyper H2 feels fast, responsive, and capable. It handles productivity tasks effortlessly, supports creative workflows, and even offers enough power for light gaming and development work. While it's not designed as a high-end gaming PC, it is more than capable of handling casual gaming and graphics tasks thanks to the powerful integrated capabilities of the HX processor. Overall, the KAMRUI Hyper H2 Mini PC is an excellent choice for users who want powerful performance in a compact form factor. It combines a high-performance CPU, large memory capacity, fast storage, and excellent connectivity into a small, efficient package. Whether you're a professional, student, content creator, or someone who simply wants a powerful and space-saving desktop, this mini PC delivers outstanding value. In the end, this is a machine that proves you don't need a bulky tower to get serious performance. The KAMRUI Hyper H2 stands out as a powerful, versatile, and modern mini PC that can handle demanding tasks while keeping your workspace clean and minimal.